Yo, my viewers, subscribers, this might be disturbing to a whole heap of my viewers then, but no watch no face. Did have to come talk about this. We could never say this and not come talk about it with people. You see, you, Mr. Workless and careless man, yeah, me have to say the man too. A workless girl, if you put somewhere far where nobody can see you, feel one know how you feel. Like, yo, and then again, you probably don't feel no way, but the viewers, subscribers, I wonder if you see the video what me talk about. Yeah, man, if you don't see it, link me. I'm matter of fact, in my description, now go see my IG page. Go over there and link na my DM I'm sending me. And if you don't want to see it, I understand what I say because it's disturbing. And parents like them there, I mean, I have to say parents because me can't come and bash the female alone. So I have to say parents, both the man and the woman. You don't have to have no youth. Just imagine the poor little baby don't even know what go on there. So you see it. It might not, the baby, I mean, is a girl baby too. The baby might not understand, but the baby not to get caught in a situation or in a compromised position like that. Never. But viewers, subscribers, and you see when I see them things, yeah, it does me appreciate the people are weird. Some man have to breed certain woman. You see it? And certain woman have to breed for certain man. Because, you see, them things that show them up. Workless and careless parents them be my people, my viewers, subscribers. I say, nothing no cut me up. So if you cut me right now, you don't see no blood. The way me disturb. Yo, and you tell me this, you know. You see it? Sometimes a man see all a youth out there, you know. You see it? And him quick for call a youth girl, you know. But he won't understand, say, yo, you have some man out there even to want breed any girl. You see it, a woman, sorry. You see it, but me don't know who else to call them, cause just imagine the man there in the video there, a going at a film, youth. Just imagine how the youth father feel when him see the video there. Because it's a high possibility say the youth there is not for the man there in the video and the foolishness there with the woman. But worst case scenario, if it is not his child and the man with a female child, go watch the video there and see what really are going. Poor baby didn't even know what I want. Poor baby put all the crackers in the woman mouth, her mother mouth. Don't know what I want. And look what the baby is not like. The baby over the bed, so me far over there, so you know. It look like the baby either in the man lap or something. Boy, yo, some things go on in Jamaica. I mean, only can talk off of Jamaica because I'm not going nowhere else. So if people say go on another country, fine, that's okay. But I'm in Jamaica, so I can only talk about Jamaica. Them things are every day, me just I come to conclude that Jamaica is not a real place. Jamaica is more of an Hollywood. Hollywood scene every day. Every day is a new thing. Every day is a new thing. My God. My viewers, subscribers. This not look good. This cannot look. Wonder if them couldn't just wait until the baby asleep. Like them couldn't wait until the baby asleep. No man, I wonder them couldn't wait until and at night the baby would eventually have to go in bed. They couldn't wait. And this is just an example of the many. A whole heap of parents, mother per se. Me just go to the female inside. And me nah come off an agenda. Don't have any hidden agenda against female. Nope. But me a talk now. Cause right now me gas up right now. Me nah lie, me gas up. I know the first them things here happen. It's just that this is one of the many instances of something like this happening. You have a whole heap of careless mother out there who bring them little newborn baby pan apps for money just because them say them not nobody to keep the baby, and the man, as a workless man as he is, don't overlook the fact yo the woman have a baby where them shouldn't even have done nothing right this in front of the baby and then beat them a business. You see it? But me nah lie. And if you are subscribers, don't think me forget people are calling name right now, but me not gonna be the person who come call nobody name. No. Me no beat is a who you be. Me not come call nobody name. You see, if you don't want that type of information, then go somewhere else. Go over one next channel. But me not come call nobody name. You see, my viewers, subscribers. But me only highlight this because it's wrong. You see it, and people kind of get the narrative twisted when them see you come talk about a toxic topic like this. Them say yeah, promote slackness. Just as how me come give my 2 cents and the little thing with silent prayers and ding dong the other day. People say me I promote certain things, but it's not the case in this. You see it? Me only highlight the fact here this is completely wrong. Like, with sensible parents would do so. After some slack parents I do them something or some slack. Some parents are not nothing about them. You see it? I swear more me can't find a name. I can't find a name to give them parents, honestly. And me again me put the amount of emphasis on the word parents, because as much as how are the female youth allegedly are the female youth, me can't overlook the mere fact that the man dead. Watch this happen and not take no action as the man. So two of them slack. My viewers, subscribers, I wonder if you realize the music. I wonder if you realize what really happen to people. When you see how slack this is right now, them need to find a mother here or your father here or whatever the case may be and lock them up. Yeah, then forget lock up. You see it, I know by a morning, after me release this video here, it already out there. You see it, because this is totally slackness. This is called child neglect. Child neglect this. Me nah ask Christ. Me not care how I want to put it, but a child neglect this. Like, I do even child neglect. Child abuse. You even want to child neglect? Child abuse. Let's say child abuse. You get my viewers, subscribers, but when I see them things happen, man, and I tell myself so I don't want to come talk about it, because I look like me I promote it, but I can't see them things here happen and don't come talk about it. You see it? And them things here give me more reason to think say there's something wrong with some of them Jamaican female here and money. You see it? Like them crave certain things where it not gonna away. Because my viewers, subscribers, channel. If you not watch the video and don't want to watch it, you can link me in my DM. Look below in the description, you will see my Instagram link. You can go over there, link me and me send it. If you don't want to watch it, me understand. You see, but comment in the comment section below what you think about it. If you have already watched the video, if you hear about it, want your own opinion, because it matters. Until next time, just vibes. I'm out.